What's up guys, welcome to ABAUTO, and today I've got a bit of a treat for you. Today we are going to be testing the 0 to 60 time in every drive mode in the beautiful 2019 C43 Coupe right there behind me. Right guys, so here we go. The first mode is Slippy. This is a reduced power mode designed for driving in heavy rain and snow. So that took 5.1 seconds. There's definitely some reduced power there. Now let's try comfort mode. 4.2 seconds, that's not bad. Now, sport mode. .2 seconds again, very consistent. Now it's the one you've all been waiting for, Sport Plus. That sounded so good. Okay guys, since this is ABAUTO, of course we're going to show that again, but this time from the outside so you can really hear that AMG performance exhaust in action. Wow, it's so nice to finally hear the AMG in a drive-by. There's going to be plenty more of those to come from on the channel, that's for sure. So, how did Sport Plus do? Wow, I can't believe it. How consistent is that? It's another 4.2 seconds. So let's look back at the times. Slippy did it in 5.1 seconds, and Comfort, Sport and Sport Plus all got the same 4.2 seconds, so it's very consistent. What do you guys think? If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more experiments with the C43, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button too. The channel is growing really nicely guys, thank you to everyone who has subscribed and tuned in each week. I really appreciate the support and I love making these videos. I hope you all have a fantastic weekend, I'll see you soon.